Look at this low rider. 9 PM Saturday night. And the Karmann Ghia is on its way home, which you'll see at the end of this little bit of video. But I've had to remove the rear wing. He started to rub. But he's going to the unit. This one had me beat recently. But I've got some ignition parts off the Venus. Fix them up. Get it going again. But not yet. I'll push him back in the yard. But yeah, forget about this one for a minute. The pickup was meant to be delivered to my unit as well. I don't think he'll be able to do 2 tonight. Little Mars over there, that running great. So next week's going to be huge with the old license, and hopefully drive the Beetle, the Morris, and we'll have a pickup. Mark of the dogs, they're happy. Pickup as well. But yeah, this is going out the unit and he's on his way. Karmann Ghia's home. Happy days is an understatement. If you want transporting locally, give me a shout. This guy is superb. Connor. That looks nice bare metal. If he's on, he's gone. There it goes. You'll see it tomorrow, right? The workshop. Transport guys, brilliant. And there's the Ghia. Right, carrying on from Saturday. Big Al's popped out. We've done a little bit of tech truss. Nothing to film because it was simple. Just moved Mrs. 66 at the back there. And there's the hydraulic bug. Beauty. Got a big pile of scrap going Thursday. It's Tuesday today. So all this is going. Now the plans. And I'm going to stick with it this time. Patina bugs being done. Starting Thursday. So we've got the engine to fit. One tiny bit of welding and the front brakes to finish off. Then he's pretty much ready to go. The pickup bug's coming out here probably next week. Hoping to get the driving license back, but if not, misses a driver out. Got a nice spot for it here for a minute. And all the parts gathered up. Moved the table over a bit so it was getting there. Just give away a free bike. Yeah. Happy days. So after the patina bug, I've decided to bring back in the bare metal bug. He is all up and running. New wiring loom. I'm going to put all the panels back on. Either sell it as is or paint them up. He's under the blue cover. So he'll be in next. So it'll be one in, one out. That's all. After that one, it's a toss-up between Herbie. So he needs, obviously, going over. Top end engine rebuild. Bit of welding. I've got all the wings and all that. Got all complete. So it's either Herbie or the Cowluck. Heater channel bottoms, front apron needed. So that's 2. What else we got complete? Oh, the yellow 1303. It needs inner wing welding. And the front brakes. He's all up and running. This will be a nice buy. Original 1303 curved windscreen. Lovely sunroof. Let's get in there, right? So that's 3 half decent ones to crack on with. He was inside for a couple of years. I can see the inner wing welding. Look, wee! Brakes, front brake pipes. But overall, he's decent. There's all the original wings. It was a brand new sunroof. Rear wings to do. That was like it when I bought it. Bit of a paint fade, but see the 1303 curved windscreen. These are coming back in fashion. Come to me as a non-runner. It was a bad Dizzy distributor and coil, I think it was. So that's easy. Big Al's having that orange shell. I'll be cutting or selling this shell, and I'll be sticking the Baja on this floor pan in there. All the brakes are done, so that's another easy project to do. So that's 4. I've got the Marathon bug here. 2 more whether to keep it or sell it, but that's a quick turnabout. That's 5. So no shitters at the minute. I've got the Mrs. 66 that I want to keep. That'll be a body off. That's a nice 66. I'll have an engine for that one, no doubt. But he'll be in, so he's not for sale at the minute. I've got a red one here. I'll possibly break now, which I will break. Don't need more projects like that. Under the cover, we've got a Cowlook Wizard I look to rebuild. That's what, 7 or 8. Don't need to buy anything. Start freeing up the space. I've got my Wizard over there. I don't need to touch it. In the corner, I've got the 1303 to cut up, so that'll be a space. Doors convertible, she'll pull out and sell. So that corner will be pretty much the wing corner. So make it more, yeah, tidy. But once all the scrap's gone, I've got the Victor there, look. So it's looking good, well happy. So the bare metal bug after patina, and either Herbie or the Cowlook. The van sold, the caddy pickups go in, Tim, so that's 2, gives me more space. But yeah, that's my 64 under there. I'm going to do a separate video on that one, I think, to show you my earliest bug here. But other than that, I'll leave it here. The hydraulic bug's finally here, and that owns the Ghia. And what else does that own? The brown bug, the Morris. Do a couple more videos on that one. Say today's Tuesday. I've got hospital in a minute, so I'm going to see about getting my license back, inquire about that. So all looking good for once. And there's a patina engine. And there's my coffee. Right, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. This is just a workshop update. I'm cutting them 2 doors in a minute for the pickup. But happy bloody days. Like, comment, subscribe, buymeacoffee.com. See you on the next one. Happy days. Cheers, Big Al.